Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 14, how big, how heavy. Okay students, and today's topic is word problems. Okay, today's topic is word problems based on volume. Okay students, now let's start question number 4. Question number 4 is a box measures a box measures 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Okay students, find its volume. Find its volume. Okay students, in this question we are given that a box measures 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Okay, and in this question we find that its volume. Dear students, suppose that in this question they are given that the length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter of a cuboid. Okay dear students, because the given measure are not same. Okay, okay dear students, so we know that the volume of a cuboid, is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay students, length into breadth into height. Suppose that the length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Okay students, it means that after multiplying these we get the result of this question. Okay students, now let's start the solution of question number 4. That means that in this question here given that a box measures is equal to 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Then the volume of given box is equal to, distance, look at here carefully, if we have to take the multiplication of these we get the result of this question. It means that here we can take 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter as same. Okay, after multiplying these we get 8 5 ja 40 into 3. Okay dear sons, and the unit of volume is centimeter cube. Okay dear sons, look, after multiplying this we get 4 3 and 4 3 look at here carefully, I repeat again, 3 zeros are 0 and 3 fours are 12. It means that we get 120 centimeter cube. Okay, students? It means that the volume of given box is equal to 120 centimeter cube. Understand? Okay, students. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now read this. Okay. Okay, students. Now let's start question number 5. Question number 5 is how many boxes each of dimensions each of dimensions 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter can be packed can be packed can be packed in a carton of dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter into 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In this question, here given that the dimension of one box is 15 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. Okay, distance. And the dimension of carton is 3 meter, 2 meter, 1.2 meter. Okay. Okay, distance. In this question, we find that how many boxes can be packed in a carton. Okay, how many boxes can be packed in a carton. Okay, sons, it means that I repeat again, here given that the dimension of a box is 15 centimeter by 8 centimeter by 6 centimeter. Okay, okay, sons, and the dimension of a carton is 3 meter, 2 meter, and 1.2 meter. Okay, sons, look at here carefully. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, okay, students, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 3 into 100. It means that 300 centimeter. Similarly, 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100, 200 centimeter, and 1.2 meter is equal to 1.2 into 100 is equal to 120 centimeter. Okay, distance. Okay, it means that the dimension of a carton is 300 centimeter by 200 centimeter by 1.2. It means that 120 centimeters. Okay, students? Then, if we have to take the division of the volume of a carton by the volume of one box, okay, then we get the answer of this question. It means that then we get the total number of boxes can be packed in a carton. Okay, students? Now, okay, students, now let's start the solution of question number 5. In this question, here given that the dimension of one box. It means that the dimension of each box. Okay. Okay, distance. The dimension of each box is equal to. You are given that 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Okay. Then the volume of each box is equal to distance. If we have to take 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter as same, then we get the volume of each box. Okay, it means that here we can write 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter as same. Okay, after multiplying these, we get 15 here is 120 into 6. Okay, distance, and the unit of volume is centimeter cube. Okay, after multiplying these, we get 6 0 is 0 and 6 2 is 12. Of 2 carry 1, 6 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. It means 720 centimeter cube. Okay, friends, it means that the volume of each box is 720 centimeter cube. Clear? Dear students, please keep in mind the volume of each box is 720 centimeter cube. Okay? Okay, distance. Now read this. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Distance, please keep in mind the volume of each box is 720 centimeter cube. Okay? Look. And in this question here given that the dimension of a carton is equal to distance here given that 3 meter into 2 meter into 3 meter into 2 meter into 1.2 meter. Okay? Okay, distance. Then the volume of a carton is equal to distance. Look at here carefully. In this question, here we can write 300 centimeter in place of 3 meter. Okay, it means that here we can write It means that here we have to change meter into centimeter. Okay, look, then 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter into 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. It means that here we can write 200 centimeter in place of 2 meter. Okay, and into here we can write 120 centimeter in place of 1.2 meter. Okay, this was understand. After multiplying these we get, look at here carefully. 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, and here we get 2 and 2. It means that 2 plus 2 is 40 into 120 the volume. It means that the unit of volume is centimeter cube. Okay, sir. After multiplying these we get 12 6 is 72, and here we get 1 2 3 4 plus 1 0. It means 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5 0. Okay, discuss. It means that after multiplying these we get 772 lakhs centimeter cube. Okay, discuss. Please keep in mind, here we get 72 lakh centimeter cube. Okay, okay, distance. Now this, distance please write in copy. Okay, okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In last, here we find that the total number of boxes can be packed in a carton, okay, by taking the division of 72 lakh by 720. Okay, sense? It means that therefore the total number of boxes can be packed the total number of boxes can be packed in a carton is equal to, dear sons, if we have to take the division of 72 lakh centimeter cube by 720 centimeter cube, okay, then we get the result of this question. Okay, students, it means that here we can write in this type 72 lakh over 720. Look, after dividing these we get 72 lakh divided by 720. 720 1 is 720. Okay, students, after subtracting these we get 0 minus 0 is cancel out, 2 minus 2 is cancel out, 7 minus 7 is cancel out. Here remaining is 1 2 3 4 0. Therefore here we can take 4 0. Okay, distance. It means that after dividing these we get 10,000 boxes. Okay, distance, 10,000 boxes. It means that the total number of boxes can be packed, the total number of boxes can be packed in a carton is 10,000. It means that 10,000 boxes can be packed in a carton. Okay, difference? Difference? Please pause the videos and write it carefully. Okay, difference? Then, okay, difference? Then, classwork, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, difference? Now read this. Now, let's start question number 6. Question number 6 is find the volume of a ghee tin. Find the volume of a ghee tin of dimensions 35 centimeter into 24 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Okay, distance. Look at it carefully. Distance in this question, here given that the dimension of ghee tin is 35 centimeter into 24 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Okay, then we find that the volume of a ghee tin. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In this question, here given that the dimensions of a ghee tin is equal to 35 centimeter into 24 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Okay, distance. Then the volume of ghee tin is equal to distance. If we have to take 35 centimeter into 24 centimeter into 20 centimeter as if, then we get the volume of ghee tin. Okay, then here we can write 35 centimeter into 24 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Okay, since after multiplying these we get the volume of ghee tin. Okay, now let's start the multiplication of 35 and 24. Look at here carefully. 35 into 24. Okay, now let us take the multiplication of 4 in 35. 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20 of 0 carry 2. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, 2 5 is 10 of 0 carry 1. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so after adding these we get 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 and 7 plus 1 is 8. It means that 840. Okay, so after multiplying these we get 840 into 20 and the unit of volume is centimeter cube. Okay, distance. After multiplying these we get, look, after multiplying these we get 840 into 20, 0, 0 the 0, 0 4 the 0, 0 8 the 0, 2 0 the 0, 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16. After adding this we get 0 0 8 6 1. It means that 168 1. It means that here we get 16,800 centimeter cube. It means that the volume of heat tin is 16,800 centimeter cube. Okay, students, please write in book and maths fair copy both. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students. Okay, thank you.